Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make this giant Kinder Bueno cookie. Let's begin. To start on the recipe, you'll want to grab yourself a mixing bowl, and into the mixing bowl place your butter, which is at room temperature, followed by the granulated white sugar and the light brown sugar, and beat them all together until they are lighter and fluffier in colour and consistency. This takes between 5 and 7 minutes, but it may take longer or less time depending on the factors around you. You can then go ahead and give the bowl a good scraping down. This is just to incorporate any bits that may not have been fully worked in from earlier on. You can then go ahead and add in the vanilla and the eggs and just beat it all together until it's well combined. You will notice that the mixture does look a little bit curdled, but don't worry, this is completely normal for this recipe. Then you can go ahead and give the bowl another good scraping down just to incorporate any bits that may not have been fully worked in from earlier on. You can then go ahead and add in your dry ingredients, but first pass them through a sieve, as you don't want any lumps to be in the mixture, as biting into a cookie and getting a mouthful of flour would be pleasant. You can then go ahead and add in your mixture of fillings. As you can tell, I've got dark chocolate, milk chocolate, chips, as well as some Kinder bars. Just fold that in by hand until a dough forms. As you incorporate the flour, it will be harder to work with, but don't worry. Once you see no traces of a single ingredient, stop. Don't mix it any further. But then you can take the dough and transfer it into your greased 10-inch shallow-sided baking tin. Once you've got all of the batter into your tin, you'll then want to spread it out. I know it looks like a lot of batter now, but don't worry. As you spread it out, it'll just be the perfect amount for this tin, and it doesn't rise too much while baking, which is perfect. Get as smooth and level as you can, then place into the oven and bake. So once everything is made and ready, you can go ahead and start the assembly. So grab your plate, board or stand and place your cookie onto it. Then to get the first batch of buttercream, you'll want to pipe on your message. This is with the larger nozzle. Feel free to pipe whatever message you'd like, but I went with Merry Christmas as it's Christmas, why not? I went with a chocolate buttercream as the base buttercream and then topped it with vanilla, but feel free to make it all vanilla and just colour it up to suit your occasion. This is completely optional, I just kept it simple so you can customise it to suit you. You can then go ahead and take the remaining chocolate buttercream, or whichever colour or flavour you've dyed yours, and just pipe a border around the edge of the cookie. This just adds a little bit more decoration and a bit of a finish, as this way we can add more chocolate onto it, because the Kinder Bueno will stick to it, which is perfect. Once you've got the message written and the border piped out, you can go ahead and start to place on your chocolate. I'm using Kinder Bueno pieces and I'm just putting them on all over. You want to get a good coverage, but not too much. So in between the Kinder Bueno, I'm adding some chopped up Kinder bars, but that's completely up to you. And just for a bit of colour and texture, I've added some of these chocolate, I think they're rice ball based sprinkles, and just sprinkled them on. It does add a little bit of colour and texture, so why not? So with the space at the bottom, I didn't want it to be blank, so take the Kinder Hippo and place a small amount of buttercream onto it, and just place that on the cookie and secure it in place, then you're done. So I thought I'd just cut into it and show you what the inside of the cookie looks like. It's a giant cookie, you can't go wrong with it, topped with all of the sweet of the buttercream and the chocolate. No, look at that, you've got a bit of everything on this slice, so it's perfect. So thank you so much for watching, I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again in the new year with some more recipes for you, so join me then. But I just wanted to say a quick thank you to you all for the year you've been there to support me, liking, commenting, subscribing. It all means so much to me, and I hope to continue the same next year. But until then, I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to check out the description. There'll be a link to this recipe, a link to my blog, and links to all my social media. So don't forget to go and follow me over on there. But that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.